નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn surface area of cone, sphere and hemisphere in this chapter of surface area and volume. Here cone, when it is cut off, its surface spread like this. Here sphere and hemisphere. First of all, let us start with the surface area of cone. As the surface here curved surface, it is curved surface area of cone is half of slant height multiplied by total length of this circular base. So that is equal to pi r l. Then total surface area of the cone, that is curved surface plus area of bottom. So here you can see the cone, its curved surface with the slant height l, and here bottom which is circular of the radius r. As it is right circular cone here, in this total surface area of the cone is curved surface area plus area of the base, that is pi r l plus pi r square, that is pi r common, so in bracket l plus r. So this is curved surface area and total surface area of cone. Now let us start sphere. Total surface area of sphere and curved surface area of sphere, both are same, as there are no flat surfaces, all the surfaces are curved, so that remains same. So here, if we divide this into various circles, we will get 4 cones. So here the surface area of this sphere is 4 times pi r square. It is 4 times pi r square. So total surface area and curved surface area remains same. Now let us talk about hemisphere. So in this hemisphere, you can see it is cut off half of the sphere. So here the curved surface is this and the top is flat surface. So here curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to half of sphere, half of the curved surface area of sphere, that is 2 pi r square. Now total surface area of hemisphere, so total surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area plus area of base. Here top it is flat surface, so here this is 2 pi r square plus area of the base is pi r square. So total surface area is here 3 pi r square. So this is regarding surface area of cone, sphere and hemisphere. Now let us talk about volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. So first of all we will start with the cone. Volume of cone, then sphere and hemisphere. Let's start. So what is volume of cone? Volume of cone is half of the 1/3 of the cylinder. As if you take the 3 cone of the same radius as the cylinder and height also same as that of the cylinder, then if you submerge 3 cones in a bucket of water filled with up to a particular quantity, then the volume occupied by these 3 cones is same as the volume occupied by 1 cylinder. So volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is 1/3 of pi r square h. Cylinder is pi r square h. So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Now volume of sphere. So what is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere. The volume of sphere is same as that of the volume of cone. It is actually 4/3 times. Here 4 times of that of the cone. So here volume of sphere is 4/3. 4 times of this, 4/3 pi r cube. Here actually height and radius all same. So here 4/3 pi r cube. So here volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now let us go for volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is volume of hemisphere. As it is half of the sphere, the volume of hemisphere is half of the volume of sphere, and that is 2/3 pi r cube. Now regarding units, suppose as these are the volumes, we will get cubic units. You see r square into h. If the dimensions are here in centimeter, then here the volume will be in cubic unit, centimeter cube. Here also r cube, so centimeter cube. Here also centimeter cube. But when we talk about area, surface area or choroid surface area, when we talk about area, there will be, it is two dimensional, and so the units will be square units, whether it is cone, sphere, hemisphere, cone, cylinder, cylinder or cube or cuboid, whatever it may be. So this is regarding formulas of surface area of and volumes of cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and hemisphere that we have studied. Now let us start solving sums based on this. Let us start with the sum based on exercise 13.1, that is of cube. Let us start. Now the question is exercise 13.1, question number 1. Here the question is plastic box 1.5 meter long. Length of the plastic box is 1.5 meter. Breadth of the plastic box is 1.25 meter, and depth is, that is the height of the box, plastic box, is 65 centimeter. Now it is open at the top. You can see here the plastic box I am drawing. It is open at the top. You said that it is open at the top. Now this plastic box is open at the top. So here its dimensions are, length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meter, and the height is here 65 centimeter, and that is, we say, 0.65 meter. So we have to convert this dimension into meter, 0.65 meter. Now let us go for the area of the sheet required to make this plastic box, and also we have to find the cost. As it is said that 1 meter square of this plastic sheet cost ₹20. So our question is to find also cost of plastic used here. First of all, let us see how much plastic is used. That is our first question, first part. So we have to go for the curved surface. As it is open at the top, curved surface. Here lateral surface. faces are flat, so lateral surface plus at the same time bottom is also covered. So area of plastic used for making box is equal to lateral surface area of cuboid, as it is cuboidal shape, plus area of rectangular base. So here what is it? It is 2 times L plus B multiplied by H plus here area of the base is L into B. So now we can write here this is equal to here 2 times in bracket L, that is 1.5 meter plus 1.25 meter multiplied by height is 0.65 plus area of the base 1.5 meter multiplied by 1.25. So we will get here 2 multiplied by this is 1.5 plus that is 2.75 multiplied by 0.65 plus 1.5 multiplied by 1.25. Multiplication of this way to calculate here. So we say 125 5s are 625, 625, 62, 125, then it is 187, 2 in 3 decimal places, so it is 1.875. Now this is multiplied by 2, so 2 2s are 4, and here 0.75 multiplied by 2, so it is here 5.5 multiplied by 0.65 plus 1.875. Now 5.5 multiplied by 0.65. So we have to go for calculation. Here 5 6 are 30 and 5 5 are 25. 325. So we can do rough work 325, and thus we will get here 3575. Decimal place is 3 plus 1.875. So here the addition is 0, carry 1, 15, carry 1, 14, carry 1, so 5. So it is 5.45. So we can say 5.45 meter square is the area of plastic used here. Now we have to calculate also cost. What is the cost of this plastic used? So here 1 meter square cost, 1 meter square plastic cost rupees 20. Therefore 5.45 meter square plastic cost how much? So we can go for this. Here it is rupees 20 multiplied by 5.45, and thus the answer is, we can calculate here, we can do the rough work multiplication and we can proceed for this. So our answer will be here 1090 divided by 2, actually 1900, and here 2 decimal places divided by 100. So finally we write the answer rupees 109. So this is the total cost for plastic used to make this cuboidal box. So this way we will continue for the second question next time.
Thank you for joining us.